having doubts regarding invitation. Let me clarify to you. Last year, let me tell you, last year one question it came like that. It's your brother's marriage. Draft a formal invitation inviting. No, it's not mentioned to invite whom. Just it's been mentioned that to draft a formal invitation. So bear in mind when a question comes to draft a formal invitation, you have choice there. You can draft an invitation which I have taught you in the starting of 11th standard, just like that. As I told you in the last class, the Mr. and Mrs. Khanna solicit esteemed present on the auspicious occasion of the marriage of their son या daughter बोल के जो फॉर्मेट है वो कर सकते हैं आप, या आपके पास एक और चॉइस है, आपको एक लेटर का फॉर्म है, फॉर्मल लेटर के रूप में किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन को सेंड करते हुए भी लिख सकते हैं. तो इसमें जब मेंशन नहीं है कि किस तरह का लेटर बनाना है, एक लेटर के रूप में, या when it is the question is like it's your brother's marriage, draft a invitation on behalf of your father बोलेगा तो you have can write in the form of a letter or in the form of a printed card, जिसको ऊपर इनवाइट करने वाले का नाम लिखकर लिखते उसको प्रिंटेड कार्ड बोलते हैं, या फॉर्मल लेटर किसी एक रूप में आप लिख सकते हैं. बट व्हेन द क्वेश्चन कम्स इट्स योर sister's marriage and invite your friend बोलेगा तो you have to draft a informal invitation. Informal invitation will be just like an informal letter. It can be either आपका सिस्टर का या ब्रदर का मैरिज हो सकता है, या sometimes it may come that it's your, आपको थोड़ा बड़ा कैरेक्टर बना के it's your son's birthday या your brother's birthday, इस तरह का क्वेश्चन भी आ सकते हैं. ठीक है. So let's see today as I already told you, this is a short composition which will be of 4 marks. And but before, I like to tell you that the November 6th it's your English exam. The paper will be of 40 marks. Total marks 50, but the paper will be of 40 marks, and the 10 marks will be for homework submission. Those who are submitting it promptly, correctly, well mannered, they will be getting good marks, full marks, and those who are not sending it, don't expect good marks. Okay. So the paper will be of 50, in which 40 marks ka written test hoga, 10 marks will be for your homework submission. And already I gave you the syllabus, and I hope there is no doubt regarding the syllabus or any problem regarding the subjects. You are very welcome. Okay, now today let's see, and so just write the question. Write an informal invitation. Write an informal invitation to your friends, inviting him to attend your son's birthday party. So today you have been characterized as a bigger person whose marriage is over, and you are going to invite your friend for your son's birthday party. Okay, so question is write an informal invitation to your friend, inviting him to attend your son's birthday party. Let's start. It will be good if you put it in a box. All of you know the format of informal letter. Okay, in the left side, D2, Vasant Vihar, civil lines, Tonk. Okay, any address you can write. D2, Vasant Vihar, civil lines, Tonk. Now just leave a line and write date. Today is 20 October 2020. Good date, 20 October 2020. Just leave a line and write, my dear, any name you can write. Pranav. My dear Pranav, ये फॉर्मेट ध्यान रखना, your address, date, dear Pranav. नेक्स्ट लाइन से लिखो, you will be glad to know that we are going to celebrate. You will be glad to know that we are going to celebrate the first birthday of our son Akshay. You will be glad to know that we are going to celebrate the first birthday of our son Akshay on 30 October 2020. 30 October 2020. It's a great occasion for us. It's a great occasion for us. So I'll repeat the first paragraph. You will be glad to know that we are going to celebrate the first birthday of our son Akshay on 30 October 2020. It's a great occasion for us. Next paragraph. The party will be held at Hotel Galaxy. The party will be held at Hotel Galaxy, comma, Shastri Nagar, comma, Tonk. एक ही लाइन में लिखना, at 7 p.m. At 7 p.m. on 30 October. I'll repeat. The party will be at Hotel Galaxy, Shastri Nagar, Tonk at 7 p.m. on 30 October. Next line. The party will include dance, music and food. Dance, music and food. Full stop. Almost all our friends have been invited. Let me repeat the line. The party will include dance, music and food. Almost all our friends have been invited. Next line में we are eagerly waiting for you. We are eagerly waiting for you. इसका नेक्स्ट लाइन में लिखो, do come with family. Do come with family. So the party will include dance, music and food. Almost all of our friends have been invited के बाद नेक्स्ट लाइन में लिखना, we are eagerly waiting for you. लेफ्ट साइड में ही इसका नेक्स्ट साइड लेफ्ट साइड में लिख लेना, do come with family. तो इसके नीचे yours Raj Shukla. Any name you can write, yours Raj Shukla. That is an informal invitation inviting your friend for your son's birthday. So this same card can be drafted in the form of a formal invitation about which we'll discuss in the next class. So here this is informal invitation inviting a particular friend of you for the function. And now, dear students, for this week and the next week, Saturday work, you have to draft formal and informal invitations and replies. Replies, I will let you know in the coming days. So this is the work that you have to do in your for your Saturday work and submit to me promptly. And one more thing, when you come for your exam, bring your composition copy and literature copy. I will allow you to write your paper, English paper, once I get your copies. So your composition copy and literature copy well neatly covered in a proper way as we used to maintain the copy when you were in 11th. So you have to submit a copy if you want to write your English exam on 6th of November. So I expect your cooperation. Have a nice day. Have a good day viewing your video and taking your studies seriously. We are almost in the month of November. We have only 2-3 months left for your exam. November, December, 4 months. That means 4, 16, 150 odd days for your exam. So be serious. Those who are still sleeping, we can only awake you. Go to jago, but jaldi and be very serious. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.